Apple is gearing up for a quiet comeback, and this time, it's listening to the fans. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech news. The rumored iPhone 17e is already making waves as leaks suggest it will finally fix one of the biggest complaints with the iPhone 16e. The budget-friendly 16e left many fans scratching their heads by dropping MagSafe support. Yes, it offered wireless charging, but without the magnetic snap that makes MagSafe accessories click perfectly into place. For many Apple users, that felt like a deal breaker. Now, the iPhone 17e is about to bring MagSafe fully back into the mix. That means easier charging, better alignment, and full support for Apple's growing range of magnetic wallets, stands, and chargers. Now that's a huge win for everyday users. But that's not the only upgrade on the way. The iPhone 17e is expected to feature Apple's second-generation C1X cellular modem for improved efficiency and stronger connectivity. This would replace the older C1 modem used in the iPhone 16e, bringing the device closer in performance to Apple's premium models. Design changes are also on the cards. Leaks suggest the phone will keep the same display size as before, but with slimmer bezels giving it a more modern look. Camera fans have reason to be excited too, as the front-facing camera might jump to 18 megapixels like the rest of the iPhone 17 lineup. Around the back, Apple is likely sticking with a single but powerful 48 megapixel lens. Apple hasn't confirmed anything yet, but with the 2026 launch, the iPhone 17e is shaping up to be more than just a budget option. If the rumors are true, this could be Apple's smartest affordable iPhone yet. For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.